All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the MacBook Pro 15 Retina. So I'm going to close this out. We're going to do File, New, and let's go to Web, and we're going to do View All Presets, and we'll go to the MacBook Pro 15 Retina. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is we're going to uncheck Artboards. We'll hit Create. I'll go to the preset layout, hit Control A, Control C, Control D, and then Control V to paste it in there. And then we'll slide it over to the left here, hit Control T, and then drag it all the way out so that it fits the screen. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom out. We'll hit the crop tool here and drag that down. And now you have a full image of the MacBook Pro 15 Retina. So let me hit Control S to save that, and we'll do 06 MacBook Pro 15 Retina. And it's going to be 2560, what am I doing? 2880 by 1800. Okay, now we're going to expand on this a little bit, more so than we've done in the other ones. I want to go to File and New, and we're going to go to Web, and we're going to go to, let's see if we can find let's try that one, a web and mobile view. So I'm going to download this. Okay, and then I'm going to hit Open. I'll close that. Okay, so now I'm going to resolve the fonts. There you go. So you can see here we have the desktop. The desktop, okay, is right there. And then the mobile version is right here, which we're not going to cover mobile in this course at all, but it's there. So what I want you to do is go to the mobile part, turn off the layer, and then delete it. Yep, Artboard and Contents. Goodbye. All right, now what I want you to do is hold Shift and hit Select Desktop, and then right-click, and we're going to create a smart object. We're going to hit Control A, Control C, and then we're going to go to the MacBook Pro 15 Retina, and I'm going to paste that in. Okay, and then we're going to drag this over to enlarge it. If it lets me, let's see here. There we go. All right, there we go. Okay, and then I'm going to bring this down right there. And what I'm going to do is let's make sure we have this all the way over to the right. There we go. All right, good. Okay, that looks good there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this preset layout 2. So let's hit Control D, Control S, and we'll call this preset layout 2. Okay, save that. And then with this, I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to use the crop tool and drag this down, and you can see that we're missing the content on the left and the right, but it's just like blank space. So it's okay that we're missing it. But what this does is this gives you kind of a better viewpoint of how it looks when you build a one-page website where when you click on one thing, it goes down to the next and the next and the next. And this would be a good way to introduce you to the artboards. So if you were, I'll give you an example. So if this was this is the About Us page, right? So with the About Us page, if we had an artboard, which I think we can add one, let me just see. Nope, I can't add an artboard here. Okay, never mind. I'll cover this more in the next course, in the next video. But basically, what this does is this is the About Us page, and so you can see here as you scroll down, this is a scrolling page because when you click on this content, you know, you have projects, then you have stories, etc. So this is the entire website on one page. So in that instance, so I'm not going to show you anything in the next video because we're not using artboards. So, but if we were using artboards, then that would make sense. But since this is a one-page website, there's no point in having an artboard for that. Okay, so that is the MacBook Pro 15 Retina. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.